this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up an account inside of Vantage Markets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to vantagemarket.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, to open up an account or register for an account, you'll simply need to go up to the right hand corner and go up to register account right here. Now once from here, it should look something like this. And as you can see, you'll be able to open an either live account, either by your email address or by phone number. Right here, you'll just need to choose the specific one. You can also down here open up a demo account by clicking practice trading right here, and then you'll open up a demo account like I said before. Once from here, you'll simply need to go over to the specific one that you want to open up, either email address or phone number, and you'll need to select your country where you are currently living, because you'll also need to add in a KYC in a later stage of the process. From here, you'll simply need to add in your email, your password, and then you can also choose to type in a referral code if you want to do that. Now from here, you'll need to choose between if you're an individual, a company, or a trust that you want to click on one of these that is suitable for you, and you'll need to say that you're not a US citizen, confirm that I'm the legal age and allowed to use this website or services, and you agree to Vantage using your data for product and service information. Once from here, you'll simply need to click create account, and then I'll show you what to do next in a bit. Now once from here, you'll go inside of the Vantage Secure Client portal, and then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to verify your email address, and Vantage will send you an email code to the specific email that you just sent or phone number that you have previously chosen, and then you'll just need to write in the OTP right here. As you can see right here, you'll simply need to click send OTP, and then in a bit I'll get an email with the code. Once from here, you'll also need to link your phone number, so just link your phone number or email address if you created your account with your mobile device, and just type it inside of here. From here, an OTP code will be sent to your phone number or email address, and then from here you'll just need to submit the specific OTP. Once you have verified your phone number, you'll also be asked to verify your identity by either uploading a file from your passport or some other form of government ID inside of Vantage before you can use the Vantage services that Vantage provides. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!